Jummah Mubarak people, happy Friday. Since it's a Friday and it's a holy day for Muslims, I decided that I'm going to make a Saudi dish called chicken kabsa or kabsa dajaj. I've never made it before. I've made similar dishes but not this one, and I've actually got a spice that I bought in Dubai about a year ago. Still haven't opened it yet, still good. So I decided to make it, so bear with me, see how I go. Please don't judge me too harshly, and yeah, enjoy the video. Alright, I'm making kabsa today. Never done it before, so wish me luck. Alright, chopped tomatoes, chilies, whole spice, chopped tomatoes and garlic paste.
Put the whole spice in the pan. Add some tomato paste, just a little bit. And you can see it start to sizzle now. We'll stir your tomato paste in. Now add your onions. I've added some garlic as well, as you can see right here. Stir them in. As you can see, they're starting to get a bit more golden. May want to cover that a little bit just to help the onions get a bit more soft. You can see now the onions and everything is soft, so I'm now going to add my marinated chicken that I pre-marinated in the kabsa spice. Here it goes. There we go. So you want to like coat that in the onions there. As you can see, it's now starting to brown off, and you can, well, I can smell the kabsa spice coming out of it. It's smelling really good at the moment. And as you can see, it's getting really browned off, like it's white on the surface now. Which means now I'm going to add a little bit more kabsa spice. So that's enough to cover the top.
As you can see, the chicken's well coated in the spice now. I've stirred it all in, it's well coated and it's just simmering away there. Next I'm going to turn on this rice because I need to pre-boil it, because that's going to be added later.
Is it on? Yes it is.
That's going to pre-boil there. I've got that on. Got this on a low heat. So what's going to happen next, because now this chicken's well coated, is I'm going to add this whole tin of chopped tomatoes to give liquid to the dish. So heat turned up high, going to stir it in. There it is, it's all stirred in and bubbling away. You can see it's proper bubbling away now. We'll turn on the heat a little bit. So those are both simmering away there. Got the lid on that to get it a bit more simmering. Rice is doing its thing.
Alright, so now I've chucked in one potato cut into 6 pieces. It'll add a little bit of starch to the dish and it will soak up some of the water. So here it is, it's bubbling away. Also chopped coriander also adds really nice to the dish. I'm just going to grab that, chuck it in. Sorry this video is a bit grainy, but I'm doing it, holding it and cooking. Anyway. Alright, so the rice is almost cooked. It's sort of a little bit al dente. So now I'm going to put the rice, using a slotted spoon, on top of the chicken and potatoes. And it's going to finish off by the heat from the bottom coming up into the rice. And it will eventually combine. Let's hope. This is my first time, so cut me some slack. Alright, so this is totally covered now. So I'm going to put the lid on it, and now it's all going to fuse together.
So the lid's on now, it's on a low heat, and it's just going to do its thing. So this is practically done now, just need to stir it up and mix everything from top to bottom, and then you'll see the end result. And as you can see, the meat's well cooked, the potatoes are perfectly soft, and it's well mixed in, and there you have it, chicken kabsah.